Alright, so this is my latest video. I figure I've got enough different about my phone to where I can actually make a pretty decent video. So what I've basically done is, well, since the last one, I don't even know what the last video was, but since then I've added Cyanogen Mod, and it's gotten me it's done really well. Right now it's at 5.056. If you don't know what Cyanogen Mod is, little rewind there. Basically, the quote-unquote master of making ROMs, Cyanogen, who has been all over, it sounds like, but right now he resides at cyanogenmod.com. Kind of an obvious place, but, you know, sometimes you just don't know. But he basically is a master. It sounds like he's done almost everything. He, well, here's a little thing. He's done the G1. My wife got a new G1, so nothing done to it. No root, no anything, so. And, I've got my Droid still. Those are the only two Androids we have so far. And, but he's done the G1, he's done the Dream, the Dream is the G1. He's done the MyTouch, I think he's done the Nexus, well, he has done the Nexus 1. And I think there's a couple other ones that he's touched on. He actually didn't do the Droid. He fully supports it though. Koosh has done the Droid port. It's not a full baking, so to speak. But it is a port to the Droid, and it is really, really nice. The first thing you'll notice is my phone does not look like stock. That is the unlock screen. All I have to do to unlock it is hit the power button, or not the power button. If I hit the power button, it's going to drop. Hit the button. Notice that this is not the normal home screen. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm kind of swiping there. I'm swiping it, and nothing happens. That's because I have a home screen called Slide Screen Pro is what I meant to say. And what Slide Screen Pro does is it basically just gives me one home screen. That's it. This thing slides up and down. It's got my notifications up at the top. You can kind of see. Oh, hold on, I've ruined it. You can kind of see that I've got my phone up there. What looks like a little bubble. That's for my text messaging, which I use hand sent. And the one that sort of looks like an email is Gmail. And then on top of that, oh, it has a few force close problems, but I don't know if that's slide screen or if that's the mod. I guess some people are having problems with Cyanogen Mod, the newest, which I have. I haven't had too many problems, but they're having way worse problems. As you can see there, little icons off to the side there. One of them is for my Google Reader. Compiles all my Google Reader things into one little thing. There's the Facebook F and the Twitter T. Sorry for the blurriness here. It's partially me and partially my webcam. Now, if I slide the slide screen all the way up to the top, then it displays only my Google Reader. And if I touch the little icon up at the top, all I did is touch the little F icon, it switches to Facebook. I touch it again, it switches to, oh, tweet came in. But if I touched it again where I touched the F, it becomes a T, and it displays my Twitter. So that's really nice there. I really like that slide screen. I'm used to like 7 home screens, but I've gone to just the one, and it's pretty nice. From what I understand, Slide Screen Home is working on some APIs, so we will see the music app, we'll see better Facebook integration, we'll see Google Talk, and hopefully whatever else we can throw their way. I'm running, you can't really tell because of my setup, but I'm running an 1100 megahertz overclock. That's something you can find on Cyanogen Mod. I mean, you can kind of tell because of the just slight speeds, but where I've only got the one home screen, you can't really do a flip switch test or anything like that. I mentioned when I opened the phone up that I had my lock screen. That's called My Lock Android. It's a really nice home screen. You kind of have to deal with some crap when you download it because it's kind of in beta and there's just some problems, but it's pretty decent. I installed my music widget on there, so I can just pull it out of my pocket and use the music widget. It's really nice there. Another thing about Slide Screen Home, though, I want to show you. That is the app drawer. It is really smooth. You really can't see the smoothness because of my camera. I almost wish I was recording this on my Droid camera because it's got a nice HD recording. You'll notice my icons are changing, but there's 8 up here that are not. Those are solid. Those are the ones I use a lot, so they're going to stay there. Other than that, that's pretty much all I've done on my phone lately. Oh, one interesting fact. This mod does add apps to SD. You have to enable it. You have to do some things. I'm not going to explain it here. You might want to head over to the site I've been referencing and find out how to do it there, because it's kind of a elongated process and there's a lot to it. You have to clear off your memory card, which I don't want to do because I've got 8 gigs of stuff there, so there's a lot going on. I guess another thing I've done lately, if I press and hold my magnifying glass here, there it is, I will get a screen that says, oh, let me do it again. Get a screen that says, do you want to quickly do a hand sent composing message? Do you want to use Vlingo? Or do you want to use voice search? Now, voice search I've been using. I just say, call so-and-so, whoever I feel like. Whether it be my wife, my parents, whoever, and it automatically calls. Hand sent I never use for the voice search because I end up saying one thing and it says another thing for me. And Vlingo is brand new. It basically makes it so you can do, you can say text somebody and it will go right to it, which is basically like hand sent and voice search combined. But they're just trying to make it better. I've been using that a little bit. It's in beta. It's not officially out yet, so we'll give that a try. Another thing, I've added a lot, I guess, so hopefully this video does not exceed the time limit. This app, that is the official Dig app. I did not go to mobile Dig. Get on your Android market and download the Dig app. It's missing a lot, but it's a start. Another one is the XDA app. Anybody that goes to the XDA developer forum will enjoy this app because it's basically the forum in an app. So you can see, kind of, it's really blurry, but it says guest at XDA developers, and then it's got all the discussion and you can swipe through. I do it, but it makes no sense since it's all blurred anyway. And other than that, I don't know how many more things I've added. Skype Mobile's on, but people complain there's no Wi-Fi support, so that kind of sucks. Oh yeah, if you do use Cyanogen Mod, you can now view GIF images or GIF, however you prefer to say them, in the browser. I've been doing it quite often, quite a lot today. It did not have it before, and it does have it now, so that's pretty nice. I think other than that, I might be done. I'm just looking through my phone for anything else I've changed that's major since the last update, but I can't see anything, so definitely go check out Slide Screen Home. They've got a paid and a non-paid version. Non-paid has ads and is missing a few features. Paid is quite costly, but it sounds like it does a good job, so definitely go check that out. Other than that, you can find me at missymartinmedia.com. That's where this video is going to go. And more videos, more reviews, and more of my just talking. So check it out.